Hey guys, I am back. It is Camille with Allure Boudoir by Camille. I hope you guys are having a good day, but we gotta talk about something really important, and honestly, it centers right around this swing. Basically, let's just not make us look like we're going to the gyno office. I'm gonna give you my 5 go-to poses when it comes to the swing, and don't worry, I will not make you hang upside down like I do every time. I like to make sure that when I do stuff, I get a lot of variety out of one pose. Here are 5 go-to poses for the swing so you can stop with the stirrups. Here is one that can be universal. You're able to get 2 silhouette shots and some close-up shots in this one pose. Start here, you're just gonna sit on your butt. You will be behind this in this situation, shooting into the window light. You are gonna have your left leg higher than your right, so the leg closest to the camera will be the one pop. Hands are gonna be stacked up here on the ropes of the swing. You wanna tell your clients, make sure you shift your butt back and lift those ribs up sky high. Stack your hands here and here and drop your head back. This way, you're getting pose 1, silhouette shot. Pose 2, silhouette shot. Pose 3 is when you're still here, ribs up, and you're gonna shoot a nice tight close-up. Okay, shooting down at them. 3 different photos with 1 single pose. Pose number 2, drop down, put the swing at the center of your back. You're gonna put your hands up here on the stirrups. I will say if you have a plus size client, this pose is really good because it makes their waist look a lot more narrow and makes them feel really good about themselves as long as they can cinch that waist down far enough, which none of my clients, big or small, has ever had an issue with this. What you're gonna do is you're gonna raise up on those tiptoes. You're gonna cross those ankles. See how my waist is kind of down? You need to drop that as low as you can, arching your back in the process. Hands are stacked up here and here. Make sure those tiptoes are tucked underneath your hips and your head is dropped all the way back. What this gives you a chance to do is a silhouette shot from the side, a waist shot from here, and a top-down shot. So again, 1 pose, 3 photos. The easy one here is you're just gonna be on your knees just like this. You're gonna put this swing at the center, just like your under boob. Hands are stacked like this, butt up, nice and high. Point your toes just like that. You can also have them cross your ankles. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take a photo from behind. You're gonna take a photo close up, and then you're also gonna take a photo top down. 3 photos, 1 pose. Another one you can do, kind of hurts the inside of the thighs. Clients love it, clients hate it. Straddle that swing just like this. I always put myself at an angle to the window light so that I can get that natural light on their face when they get there. 1 hand on the straps, other hand up above the bar from a side angle, full glaze basically of their side. Then you can have them turn down, look down their shoulder, eyes closed, and then look eyes up at you. Last but not least, again, I try to go for not too much up and down motion and having them be able to do less work or expel less energy during a shoot. That's why I do these photos in specific order. As you transition from this one, what I want you to do is you're gonna put your hands here. What you're gonna do on this 5th pose, it's a very quick transition pose. You're gonna slide your leg back, head up nice and high. You can have your arms draped forward or you can bring them up. It's really up to you. But this is another one where you can shoot from the back, from the top, and from the side. In those 5 photos, you're taking an additional 3 different images inside of it. And that allows you to now have such a versatility with this swing without hanging upside down. That doesn't look like we're about to get our annual physical. So I hope now, the next time you're in studio with your swing, you don't even think about putting both those feet in the stirrups. I don't care what you say. I've asked every girl that walked in the studio if that looks like you're going to the gyno's office, and everyone has said yes. So use those 5 unique poses as your opportunity to kind of expand on that swing. It's not 2-dimensional, it's not 1-dimensional, and honestly, I explore new poses every day, which gives me the availability and the chance to learn with you guys. If you love this, if you want to see more content of the swing, hit that subscribe button. We will be walking through poses till the end of time. And if you're trying to figure out how to get this all in one spot, grab my beginner posing guide for photographers, 25 poses that explains all the lighting setup and how to do it. And if you guys are nice enough, I might work on an advanced guide. Till now, drop in the comments other poses you want to see, and I'll see you next time.